What's up, surfers? This is Kale from Pacific Surf School here in San Diego, California. I'm going to be here giving you a couple hints, a couple tricks to help you improve your paddle technique as you're learning to surf, all right? Most of the students that come to us for surf lessons think about standing up, hopping up to their feet as the most important part of surfing. I like to believe that the paddle technique is the most crucial part of working your way into a wave, right? You can't stand up on your feet if you can't catch a wave. So you got to be able to paddle. You got to be able to improve your paddle technique in order to get there. Um, we're going to start off by getting our toes all the way to the back of these big longboards that we like to teach on so that you're not too far forward, not too far back. You want enough surface area underneath you so that when you paddle, you're just gliding right across the surface. You're not sinking down either the nose or the tail of the board. When you paddle, you don't want to bring both arms forward. You're going to go one at a time right over the top. Notice how my shoulders aren't moving too far to the left or the right. All right, you just basically want to keep everything straight over the center of the board. And when you guys get into a wave, you're going to start paddling a little bit harder, throw that water back, gain that momentum so that the wave recognizes your momentum once it hits and it starts taking you forward, starts taking you down the line, right? If you guys are paddling too soft, that wave's just going to go right underneath you. So really move some water, all right? Keep everything straight. Try and get those feet up off of the board so that you're not dragging, getting hit side to side when the wave does come. Keep that in mind, all right? And basically once that wave hits, give it one more extra paddle on these big long boards. Make sure it's taking you forward, and then pop right up to your feet. All right. Once again, my name is Kale from Pacific Surf School here in San Diego. Make sure you guys check out pacificsurf.com if you're interested in taking a lesson with us. We're open every day of the week, all year round.